Today I'm playing Roblox. I got Robux, so this is my character. For proof, this is me. Um, right now, Sejan Parker, known as Sejan GFX, and the one at Big School are on a Skype call. And you'll hear Sejan GFX in the background.
No, it's okay.
Um, at the moment, I'm just walking around. As you see, we have hacks for Roblox. And if you guys want them, come and come, not like that. Just try and ask us if you wanna join our group or clan, and we'll see you.
I know.
There's only way you can be in our group if you have Skype and if you're 13 plus. And if you want the hacks up here, you have to be in our clan. Just letting us know. Okay. But right now I'm just saying random crap. I don't know why. I hear punching. What's that sound?
Parker, is that even that yellow one?
What's that sound?
I don't know what that sound is. It's actually really annoying.
Yeah, what was that? Sound like someone's like
I need
swiping a
somebody to take me to
tablet.
that really good dealership.
So you can spend this money too. So let's go over to the cop cars.
I'm by the parking garage.
So
Can you
let's
pick me up?
top over this.
Turn around.
It's probably the most expensive. This is
Yeah,
3 mil.
I'm right
Let's sell my original
Is that you?
vehicle.
Turn
3 mil.
around. That's
So
you.
this is the Bugatti.
No, turn
You
around.
see I just bought it.
Okay. Oh, there you are. Yeah, let me get in.
Holy crap, it's fast. Indeed, this would
Dude,
really win
those
in
ones are
any
really
race.
fast.
This car is very hard to control. The one up school and say GFA. Got the same car as me. Let's sell it. Gives you 1 mil back. That's not actually good. So let's go and travel. I'm going to check something else. No. I have 303 Robux left, but I'm not going to buy anything that's stupid for a server, like guns or anything. It's just stupid. Why would you, like, kill people?
This Bugatti's so weird to control. I don't know if it's for me.
I really don't want to buy anything right now. I'm just going to walk around, talk to you guys, and hopefully get picked up by one of them. Which car is this? Is this your car?
Everybody's what?
Never mind.